Let's take a quick look at how to embed your Instagram posts directly on your site. For a single post, copy the link of the Instagram post, and then from your post or page editor, you can paste the Instagram URL on a new line, and it will automatically embed. In this example, I added a columns block and pasted each individual post to a separate column. Instead of embedding a single post, you can display a dynamic feed or grid of your most recent posts using the latest Instagram posts block. This is especially useful if you want to showcase your Instagram activity on your site in one place and keep it up to date automatically. You can do this if you have a professional Instagram account, either a business or creator account. These accounts unlock tools like analytics, social sharing, and scheduling. Please note that it's free to convert your personal Instagram account to a professional account. You can do this in your Instagram settings. Below for professionals, you can click Account Type and Tools, and then switch to a professional account, creator or business. In the page or post editor, click the plus icon top left, or in this case, we are going to use the shortcut /latest Instagram posts, and then insert the block. You'll be prompted to connect to Instagram. Click that and follow the authorization steps. Once connected, your feed will display a grid of the 9 most recent posts from that Instagram account. You can then use the block toolbar to change the alignment to full width or, for example, wide width. And when you open the sidebar settings on the right, you can change the number of posts as well as the number of columns. You also have the option to increase or decrease the spacing between posts. And you will notice that Stack on Mobile is enabled by default. That means if you view your site on a smaller device, the Instagram posts will stack on top of each other. After the settings are applied, publish your page so your feed appears live. And that's it. Visitors will see the latest content from Instagram automatically, which means you don't need to edit the page every time you post on Instagram.